Attention homeowners, I have really exciting news. So I am officially a certified EXP Express Offers agent, which means that I've been trained and certified to assist our EXP's exclusive marketplace of institutional buyers or iBuyers. So basically these are real estate investment companies that have money to spend and they are looking for houses to purchase. Now they're typically going for distressed houses, houses that maybe need a lot of work. These buyers are prepared to offer cash for homes without you ever having to put it on the market. That means no showings, no open houses, no marketing at all. You don't have to put expenses towards fixing up a property that's maybe in less than desirable condition. All of that, and even better, you can choose your closing date. So if you need a little bit of time to find your new home and get into that one, you can do that. It can be accommodated. If you need to zip on out of here, you can do that as well. It can be accommodated. Some buyers are able to close in as little as a week. So this can be a great opportunity if that's something you're wanting to avoid. Those going through the rigmarole of putting it out on the market, having to have showings come in, having to go under contract with a financed buyer, and dealing with the unpredictability of how that can work. These offers are cash, so that's absolute certainty along with no contingencies. Now, hear me, disclaimer. This is not a guaranteed sales program. I will need to, off the bat, assess if your home already fits into a particular criteria or buy box for the iBuyers in our state. And then I will definitely need to make a personal visit to do a full condition assessment of the property to see if I can even submit it to the platform, okay? So to do that, it's about a 20-minute process, and the time it'll take to determine if you can get an offer back is about 2 days. So a 3-day investment, it's no obligation, no cost to you unless you accept a cash offer that's been presented to you. So you got nothing to lose. So if you've been thinking about selling and wanting to move and you look around your house and you're like, God, I got so much to do before I can even think about putting it on the market. Or if you're just wanting to make a move and you really want the process to be as easy and as smooth as possible, go ahead and click the link that I've provided in my description box for Express Offers inquiries. You're gonna put your property address as well as your contact information into that link, and then I'll be able to get back to you. Should be able to tell you off the bat if your property fits into that initial criteria, and then we'll go more in depth about the process, how everything works, and then schedule a time for me to come by your home and do a full condition assessment so we can prepare to submit your property to the platform in order to possibly get some cash offers. So go ahead and click that link. Go ahead and put your information in. You got nothing to lose. I cannot wait to chat with you and hopefully help you get to your next chapter. Also, if you know someone that's been talking about wanting to move but they're not sure how successful the process is going to be, share this video with them so they can know that there's other options available to them to get their home sold. But that's all I have for today, y'all. Much love, take care, and I will talk to you later.